This week we are going to be inflating balloons by creating a chemical reaction. So for this experiment, you're going to need a couple of empty plastic bottles, balloons, vinegar, baking soda, a funnel, and if you don't have a funnel at home, you can make one with a piece of paper like I did. And then you'll also need a measuring cup and a tablespoon. To inflate our balloons, we're going to be creating a acid-base reaction. So we are using baking soda as our base and vinegar as our acid. So once we combine those two things, they start to interact with each other and create carbon dioxide. And since carbon dioxide is a gas, all of its molecules want to spread out as far as they can within its container. So once the molecules expand as far as they can in the plastic bottle that we're using, it will then spread into the balloon and inflate it. So in order to make this an experiment, I wanted to test different ratios of baking soda and vinegar to see which one would create the most carbon dioxide. So you can go ahead and try this at home using different ratios. I used a 1 tablespoon to a half a cup, a 1 tablespoon to 1 cup, 2 tablespoons to 1 cup, and 1 tablespoon to 1.5 cups. So you will see what happens here. That the balloons that had both 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar and the 1 tablespoon, 1.5 cups of vinegar created the largest balloons. So using that, go ahead and create your own ratios and see what happens. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye!